Sometimes if you see people's thumbnails, you are like, where did they get it from? So I have idea. I have idea. Come close. We're gonna steal their thumbnail. We're gonna steal it, recreate it, and we are gonna own it. Is that not a good idea? You steal it, recreate it, and you own it. What do you think about that? Beautiful, right? I got you, girl. I got you. Because there is that point that you make a video and you realize you don't have a thumbnail. Come close, come close here. I'm gonna show you on how you can actually take someone's thumbnail, recreate it, and own it. Follow me. Let's go. Guys, here we go. Here we go. So basically, what you do, you go to YouTube. Once you go to YouTube, okay. Once you go to YouTube, you go and look for your favorite person that you love, your favorite YouTuber that you like the thumbnail. Okay, for me, I like for Ben did it. Ben did it. I like his thumbnail, and his thumbnail is very attractive, guys. Look, let's go to his page and let's check his video and see. Look, look his thumbnail, guys. Look at his thumbnails. His thumbnails is top notch. So guys, let's say for instance, I like this thumbnail. I like this thumbnail over here. Okay, date and fix. Why your YouTube views die after 24 hours, right? So let's click on it. Once we click on it, you come here and copy the link. Okay, you come and copy the link and head over to Play Store. Once you head over to Play Store, try to search Youtag. Once you search Youtag, you have to type in Youtag, guys. Type in Youtag. You know, for me it is already here because I use it. Use Youtag. You must type in Youtag, and once you type in Youtag, you're gonna see this app. Okay, you download it, but already I have it, so I'm gonna just open it. So once I open Youtag app, this is the page. So we have a lot of option here, but we are gonna choose only get tax from US. So I'm gonna click there. So once I click here, this is the page. So I'm gonna paste my link over here, paste and search. So we will have option down here. We have tags, we have thumbnails, we have more. Okay, so actually you can use this app to get tags too. You can actually use this app to get tags for your video. That's if you want. So for us, we're not going for tags, we are going for thumbnail. All right, so let's go. Yay, our thumbnail is here. So basically you have select thumbnail size to download: low, medium, standard, high, maximum. So basically we are gonna go for standard. Yes, downloading. Yeah, so let's go to our gallery. Once we go to our gallery, you're gonna see something here. So our thumbnail is right here. So basically here we need to remove this guy on this picture so that we can put our picture. Okay, we can put our picture right here. So what we do is we go to download another app. is very important app. So we just have to go to Play Store again. Go to Play Store again and type in Metal AI. So yeah, Metal AI, it is here. This is the app, guys. Metal AI. So this Metal AI, you're gonna open it. Let's say for instance, there we go. Let's open it. Yeah, just update the, I don't know, that's it one. So this is the page, guys. So once it is like that, you go to your gallery, you take the picture you want, you upload it. It's gonna tell you, okay, it says, can I edit image that you upload? Ask me to add, remove, or change parts of the image, right? So for me, I'm gonna ask the AI to remove the guy. Remove the guy. Remove the guy. There we go. Small content creators, you find their videos, they don't have thumbnails. Guys, this is the easiest way to get a thumbnail. Here we go. Here we go. The guy is removed, guys. See, the guy is removed. So basically, you tap on the picture and it will bring you to download page. So on this download page, you just click on save. As you click on save, it will be saved in your gallery. Okay, and when you want to remove the watermark, you just go and edit it. Go edit it in the app of editing your thumbnails and remove the the watermark. So guys, I know you have seen a lot of people having the same thumbnails, but the only change is the picture. This is the way they download their thumbnails. I hope this video have helped you. If it has, please remember to leave a comment and like my video. If you're new here, subscribe, and bye, and see you the next one.